Welcome to Stellar Hosting. Backing up your website is one of the important things you can do as a website owner. The backup protects your files, databases, and emails in case of accidental deletion, errors, or server issues. In this video, I'll show you how to create a backup in DirectAdmin step by step. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is to log into your DirectAdmin control panel. Once you're on the dashboard, scroll to the Advanced Features section. Click on Create or Restore Backup. On the backup page, you will see a list of items you can include in your backup. You can choose to backup website files, databases, email accounts and messages, FTP accounts, or domain setting. Just select the items you want to include in your backup. For a full website backup, select all the relevant options. Once everything is selected, click Create Backup. DirectAdmin will now start generating your backup. This process may take a few minutes or a few seconds depending on the size of your website. When the backup is complete, you can go to the file manager and you will see it there. You can also download for safekeeping, or on the Create and Restore Backup page, you can click on Restore. Once the Restore page loads, click on View Current Backups and you'll be taken to the backup folder in the file manager. There you can download and save to your computer. You can also click on this and choose the backup you want, then click Restore if you want to recover from the backup. It is recommended to create regular backups to keep your website safe and easy to restore if anything goes wrong. Also, store a copy of your backups offsite using cloud storage or your local computer. And that's how to create a backup in DirectAdmin. Simple, secure, and essential. If you need help, use the link in the description to contact Stellar Hosting Support to assist with backup scheduling. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need Stellar Hosting services. Also, subscribe for more easy web hosting tutorials. See you in the next video.